The first thing you need to know are the special triangles. We have two of them. Number one, the one that has 30 and 60 degrees and has 1, 2 and a square root of 3. And the second one, which has an angle of 45 degrees and has 1, square root of 2 and 1 again. We use this so we can get sine, cosecant, cos, secant, and tangent, cotangent.
Okay, to be able to use SOHCAHTOA in a triangle, you need to have a right triangle, usually marked by a square, which means it's a 90-degree angle. Okay, so to get the sine of angle A, you're going to divide the opposite side of angle A, in this case the C, over the hypotenuse, which is always the longest side of a triangle. Okay, you're going to divide C, opposite, over Y. To get the cosine of angle A, you're going to divide the adjacent side, which is always the side that it's parallel to the angle, over the hypotenuse. So here it is, x over y. And to get the tangent, you're going to divide your opposite side over your adjacent side. Here it is, c over x.
Hello, my name is Victor, and today I'm going to show you an example of how to solve problems using triangles. So, as we already know, we have 6 trigonometric functions, which are sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, and cotangent. As my teammates already explained, they explain like if they include like opposite divided by hypotenuse and all that stuff. But today I'm going to show you an example. So, example number 1. For the first example, I have this triangle right here. This is going to be A, and they already giving me the value of the angle, which is 64. And all the triangles we solve are right triangles, so we have already a 90-degree angle. So they're giving us this side, and we need to find x. The instruction is find the value, find the value side, and we need to find x. The instruction is find the value, find the value of x. So, in order to find the value of x, we need to first position ourselves in A. So, in A, we have these two values, 17 and x. From this point of view, x is the adjacent and 17 is the hypotenuse. And as my teammates explained, cosine is adjacent divided by hypotenuse. So, we need to use cosine from this point, and we have that it's 64. So cosine 64 equals its adjacent, x divided by 17. So the next step is that we need to move 17 right here, so it can go multiplying 17 times cosine 64 equals x. X equals, and if we grab our calculators, we can get cosine 64 times 17 is 7.45.
Hi, my name is Ari, and today I'm gonna teach you how to solve a problem using triangle. Well, first of all, here we have the problem, and it's asking for us to look for the opposite. Here we have adjacent, hypotenuse, and we're missing the opposite. Okay, so in this case we're not gonna use the example that my partner Mochis gave us of SOHCAHTOA. We're gonna use this formula. So first of all, let's know what each value is. Okay, so A, it's adjacent, B, opposite, and C, hypotenuse. So we're gonna take those values, we're gonna take these values, and then we have this. So is C was 25, so 25 square is 625. Is equal to 7 square, 49, plus B square. So then we just get B, which is, we pass this 49 over here. 625 minus 49 equals 576. To pass this square over here, we use square root. It will give us 24, and so opposite 24, and the answer of here is 24. And there we go. Thank you.